The user audit report in Secret Server displays results for all secrets the specified user has viewed or edited during the specified time range. This report can be accessed by clicking the Reports tab on the left-hand pane of Secret Server and navigating to the User Audit tab. Then select a user from the drop-down menu and click Search History. In the event a user leaves the organization, this report can be used to immediately expire all secrets the user has accessed, which will flag the secrets for automatic password changing if configured, or notify secret owners to manually change the password. Note that the user audit report will only display secrets that the user running the report has access to unless Unlimited Administrator is enabled. You can click on any of the listed secret names to be taken directly to the audit tab of that secret, which will display all logged activity on that particular secret.